One of PlanetTogether's core functions is its Optimize feature. This allows the scheduler to select different aspects of the production schedule to create a weighting matrix that will optimize the schedule. Optimization rules can be used across all of the work centers and all of the departments. It can also be applied to individual departments and specifically to individual resources. For example, if you have a particular work center in a particular department that you want a specific rule applied for, you can create a specific rule and apply it to that resource. Optimization rules can be created by going to Settings, Scenario Data, and Optimize Rules. Here is where optimization rules are set up and maintained. To assign rules to a resource or work center, go to Resources, locate the work center, double-click, and you will see your work center set up. Under the Optimization tab, you see your Optimize rules. Here you can select which rule you want applied to this work center. There is also an experimental rule option, which temporarily applies the optimization rule for one time when you run the Optimize. You can also change this information from the Gantt by double-clicking your work center. You see it brings up the same screen with the same options to make the same changes.